Hi there guys and gals, good with to each every one of you. Let's do this quick. Thank you Lord for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my family in Bicol, headed by my mother, February Christina, Rebecca, Chichen, and Kiel. To all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces, thank you so much to every one of you. To all my silent subscribers out there, hi. To my Facebook viewers, hello. To all my 10 lovely countries, hi. And to all my new subscribers, hello. Special mention to EO De Cruz and Luisa Patindao of Santa Lucia Mall, Phase 3, cell phone area near the fountain area. Luisa, thank you very much for allowing me to borrow your magic cell phone. I captured all the moments from the recently concluded grand finals of 2024 Get Up and Dance. Guys and girls, let's continue our discussions about last night. That I'm with Maria Isabel Lopez during that time when she's telling to get out of the Vini City, because for me, since she's already there, why not give her the accommodation, the chance to witness the event. After all, she's a former beauty queen, 1982, Binibining Pilipinas University, and then she gave pride, right? And anyway, let's bygone be bygones, but there are still more opportunities to miss Maria Isabel Lopez, and I'm with you. Don't worry, God is with you, and you are still remaining standing. Keep your feet on the ground, Miss Maria Isabel Lopez. And sorry. And you know what, guys and girls, what I really love about the whole show from the Binibining Pilipinas was the statement of Catriona Gray, former Miss Universe 2018, right? Please correct me if I'm wrong. I really overwhelmed for what she said, because she informed the patrons that, dear guests, please be respectful to our top 15 during the Q&A portion. Do not make some noise or any awful words or any bashings. For every final girl will have their moment for Q&A. So I really love that. She really informed. Hold on, are we still on the Gora? Yeah. So that's the best part of what I have witnessed for this 2024 Binibining Pilipinas. After all, they didn't just look for the show for the money, but for the welfare also of the contestant and the finalists. That's why I really admire Catriona.